Tap on your profile icon and then tap on withdraw. Under the methods, you should see a few options based on the methods that you have previously used to add money to your account, such as a debit card or Apple Pay. If you don't see any method in here, then you will need to first add a card. So first, I'm going to show you how to add a card. So close this page, tap on your profile icon, and then tap on deposit. Under the popular tab, swap to the right, and here you could see the option pay by card. Tap on it to select it. Tap on the card number and then enter your 16 digits card number, enter your card's expiry date, and then tap on done. Tap on add card. This then would add the card to your account. After adding the card, it's better to deposit using the same card so that Paddy Power could trust your debit card. And in order to deposit, add the amount under the amounts box. And finally, enter your card security number and then tap on deposit. And after a few seconds, you should get this message saying job done. £5 is in your account. Tap on OK. And now you can see the £5 is added under the cash balances. And now when you come back to withdraw, you should be able to see your debit card. By the way, if you tap on other methods, you could see more methods of withdrawing money. And if you want me to show you any other methods, let me know in the comments below. Now tap back on popular tab, make sure your card is selected, and then tap on the amount. Enter the amount, tap on done. Again, you can change the payment method. I keep it as the debit card. And once you're happy, tap on withdraw. Then you should get this message saying show you the money. Your £5 is on its way. Tap on OK. And now you can see my cash balances is 0. And if you're wondering how long it took for the money to get back to my account, in my case, it arrived instantly. And in the confirmation message, it said it should arrive within 2 hours. So it's pretty quick. I hope this method helped you to withdraw your money. If it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. And if you still have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.